Hey, yo, what's up? Thank you for checking this video out. Now, you've made it. This is video number 6. This is step number 6 to your 6 successful steps to passing your Algebra 1 STAAR test. Step 1, if you don't remember, is equivalent. Step 2 is domain and range. Step 3 is look for equations that have graphs, equations that have tables, equations that have points, and then go do those. Step 4 is look for solutions. Whenever you see those equations, you better be great at moving equations around because you just did it for the other stuff, right? Step number 5 is make sure that you know how to do slope. Got to do the y1 squiggly, mx1 plus b. You got to have 2 points. This is step number 6. Step number 6 is word problems, all right? Don't get scared. We just do the easy ones. I got you. I'll make them so easy, for real. Have I let you down yet? No, so come on, let's keep going, for real. Let's go. Word problems, let's go. Word problems, let's go. You don't have to do them all. Remember, you can miss 14 questions on your STAAR test and still be considered a master. You just got to get 41 correct. If you do all the things we ask you to do, I promise you, you will land in the mid to upper 30s if you do it all perfectly and don't make any mistakes on these that you're not supposed to make mistakes on, and you make a 41. And then if you guess good, you got it. You got the masters. Why would I lie to you? Why would I make that stuff up? I got you. All right, here we go. Word problems. Here we go. Don't get scared. I know it sounds hard. I hate word problems. Oh, you're so cool. I know. I hate them too. I don't like them too. So I'm going to show you how to just get the easy stuff that you need, and let's go. So ready? Word problems. Now here we go. First things first. Whenever we're done. Wait! First thing first. Whenever we're getting this stuff done, you got to make sure that your eyes are ready to hear this. Your ears are ready to hear. Your heart's ready to receive. So let's get our student creed in on 3. Ready? Student creed on 3. Ready, set. That way you can watch the video only one time and you'll get it. You don't have to watch it 8 times. Watch it one time. Oh my gosh, how does this information stick with me? How do I get it so much? Because you did it. You said it with me. You asked for this to happen, and then don't be surprised when it happens. Student creed on 3. Ready, set. Here we go. Today is a new day. I can read well. I can understand what I read. I can remember it and apply it correctly. I've got eyes to see, ears to hear, and a mind to understand. It might not be easy, but it's worth it, all right? Great stretch. All right, let's go. I'm in it. Word problems. Whenever you do the word problems, don't read the whole story. That's a waste of time to read the whole story. All you got to do, I look at the choices first, and the choices will tell me what I'm looking for, and then I look in the question to see, can I find something that helps me here? So ready? Let's go. First word problem. It says, there are 12. I don't care. I go to the choices. Shoot. Looks like I got to build an equation. That's okay. Normally that's what they ask you to do, build equations. So here we go. Let's build an equation. Now I got to read. Okay, 100. I see 1,024. What is that? Okay, there's 1,024 players in a tournament. I don't care that it's tennis. Each round, blah, blah. Okay, go. All right. I get a number. I got 1024, and it's the first number that it gave me, and all these guys have it in the front. Freak. But where are they getting this other number from? Oh, look at that. Let's get that's the answer. Don't look at that. Where are they getting this other number from? That this 1.5, this, I don't know. Let's keep reading. I don't know. I don't see any other numbers. Shoot. Yes, there is another number. They typed the number out. They want to be jerks. They put half. Instead of just typing in the fraction, they typed out half. So, half. Which one of these has a half in it? Does A have a half in it? No, that's $1.50. That's 1.5. Nope, too big. Does B have a half in it? 50 cents. That's half $1, yeah. Does C have a half in it? That's $1.05. No, it's too big. Does D have a half in it? No, that one has 5. B is the only one that has a half. So B is your answer. You got it. You're done. Was that hard? No, so stop making it hard. It's so easy. Let's go. Second one. I don't know what to do here. No slope, no equivalent. I don't know what to do. Okay, the choices look like I got to write an equation. Here we go again. But not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's see. Just put the number in the front. The first one that I see, I guess. There's 1900. Oh, nothing. That just means a year. Then I see this big old fat number right here. And then nothing else. All right, so the big old fat number goes first. All right, all these guys have it in the front, so that didn't really help me. Maybe I can find another number. Oh, I see a 3.25. Let's see if I can find a 3.25 here. Okay, time out. Now, I know I told you that this is so if you don't really know anything, you'll be fine here. But I need you to know that you have never seen anything that looks like C. You have never seen anything that looks like D. So you don't pick C or D. This looks so silly. This looks like, what is this? You should know that we only deal with things that look like A and B. This is what it looks like. Nothing looks like C and D. That's not. And if the answer is C and D, you say, good game, test makers. You got me. Okay? Nothing that we do looks like C and D. Everything that we do looks like A and B. Or not everything, but this is the most familiar looking thing. So now I see a 325, but I don't see 325. Oh, I see it in here. I see it right here, actually. And so I don't know, maybe I want to pick it. Cool, pick it if you want to. But look, let's go ahead and read around the words. Like when you find the numbers, let's go ahead and read around them. I see a word that says increased. I see this big old fat 400 number. Then I see the word that has increased. So let me check increased stuff. Here I go. Let me see. Let me pull up my decimals calculator real quick, and I want to see, is this guy even increasing? So here I go. Here we go. 495,000 parentheses 1.0325. Raise it to the x. I don't see my graph. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Is this guy increasing? Holy cow! You betcha he's increasing. He's getting. Yeah, he is definitely increasing. Let me type in choice B. 4. This guy changes in the parentheses. It's 0.96. Oh wait, what is that? It's 0.9675 raised to the x. Is that increasing? Well, yeah, it is because it's going up. You're reading the graph backwards. The graphs always go from left to right, like as if you were to write your name on it. If you were to write your name on this graph, would you write it going upwards? No, it'd be backwards. You got to write it like this. So it goes left to right, so it goes this way. So the graph goes, this graph is decreasing. So cool, I got it. This guy says increased. A shows an increase. There's my answer. I'm finished. Easy peasy. All right, next one. Blah, blah, 15 didn't play. Oh, 15, put it in the front. Oh, look at these equations. See how these equations don't look like these equations? In these equations, whatever number comes first, that goes to the front. And these equations, no, it's you're going to have parts and you're going to have a whole. You got to put the parts together and put the whole on the other side. So here you go. Let's see. There are 15 kitchen plates in the who cares? 15 plates. Diameter of these plates, 7 and the 12. Whoa. The 15 is the biggest number. So I think he's a total. The 7 and the 12, they gave them they gave them back to back. They said 7 or 12. So if they give the numbers back to back like that, the first number is a x, the second number is a y. What's the first number that they gave us? 7. What's the second number that they gave us? 12. So it's going to be 7x, 12y. And the 15 is the whole. So I'm looking for a 7x, 12y equals 15. Let's see, does choice A have a 7x, 12y? Nope, they got it backwards. So A is all the way gone. Does choice B have 7x, 12y? Heck yeah, he does. He has it twice, actually. So I like him, check mark. C, is there a 7x, 12y? Yes, there is, right here at the bottom. Or not at the bottom, but the second equation. Does choice D have 7x, 12y? Nope, he sure doesn't, so he's gone. A is gone, D is gone. Congratulations, you have now gone from a 1 in 4 chance of getting this question right. You have now doubled your odds. You are now 1 of 2 away from picking the correct answer. So if you just stopped right there and picked B or C, good, I'm proud of you. That's very good. Now, if you can figure out the other stuff, that'd be great. I don't even know the rest. This guy says 7, the other guy says 12. I don't know. If you pick B, cool. If you pick C, cool. The actual answer is C like cat. But if you didn't make it that far, it's okay. But if you got to the B and C part, you're where we need you to be. Good job. I'm proud of you. All right, this guy right here. Blah, 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 scientists study back to blah, 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 blah. All right, let's read the choices. Oh, shoot. Even the choices are word problems. Ugh. It's not hard. It's easy. Just pick up on the key words. Let's see. F says the initial number of bacteria is 12. What does initial mean? What does initial mean? What are your initials? Oh, first, no, okay. Where'd you get those letters from? The first letter be first, name first. So initial means first. That's what you're telling me. Initial means first. This guy says that the initial number of bacteria is 12. This is saying the first number is 12. Look at this equation. Does it look like the first number is 12? No, the first number is 245. So are we going to pick that? No, that's wrong. That's a lie. Let's go to choice G. First number is what? And then it goes off. This first number decreases at a rate of 88%. Okay, I don't know if the rate is 88%. And it didn't give me what the initial number was. It just said that this guy decreases. But I do know what decreases means. So I'm going to type in decrease. I'm going to type in this guy and see if this guy is decreasing. Here I go. 245, parentheses, 1.12, parentheses, raise it to the x. All right, let's see. Let's see if he's decreasing. Let's zoom out, zoom out. Oh, here he is. He's going up. He's going this room, going upwards. Is that decreasing? That is not decreasing. This guy is increasing. So choice G is lying because choice G says that this guy decreases. Lie. Now we go to choice H. It says the number of bacteria increases. Does it increase? According to this graph, it does increase at a rate of 12%. I don't know. I don't know what the rate is, but I do know it increases. So I can't scratch it out because that part is true, and I don't know if the 12% is true or not. Let's just go to choice D. The number of bacteria at the end of one day is 245. At the what? The number of bacteria at the what? at the end. The number of bacteria at the end is 245. Look at this equation. Where is the 245? Is it at the end? It's in the front. It's the initial. The 245 is what you start off with. It is not at the end of anything. But it does say 1, and 1 is the first. He says at the end. It's not at the end. So J is a liar. F lied to us by saying that the first number is 12. It's not. J lied to us by saying that it's decreasing. It's not. H says increases. I like him. I don't know if the 12% rate is true. Choice J said at the end is 245. Bro, the 245 is at the front. That's the first thing. So he's lying. H is good. I like him. And H actually is the answer. Good job. You're so smart. All right, next one. Barbecue. Who cares? Choice H said, oh, I guess I got to write these equations, all right? I like the initial ones. Those are kind of easy. Here we go. Ready? I got this guy and that guy. Let's go. Restaurant, blah, 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 2 each. Oh, 2 each. And the 2 came, and then the 6 came, and they're in the same sentence. The 2, and then the 6. So the 2 should have a X. Then the 6 is going to have a Y. Look at you. Look at you already getting smarter. 2X. And 6y, that's what I'm looking for. Does choice A have 2x and 6y? No, he's got it backwards. Sorry. Does choice B have 2x, 6y? He sure does, how I like him. Does choice C have 2x, 6y? Nope, he doesn't, he's wrong. Does choice D have 2x, 6y? Yes, he does, so I like B and I like D. Now here we go. No more than 12, I see 120 now. They all have 120 at the end. So I like B, I like D so far. They both have the 120 at the end. Now this guy says no more. Now it's time to read around. Let's go ahead and read around the word 120. It says no more than 120. What does no more than mean? You put your L up. Anthony taught me that L makes L for losers, and losers go down. So it's less than. So if this guy says no more than 120, does that mean that I want to be more than 120? No, I want to be less than 120. So less than, I want to go down from 120, not go above it. So I gotta have an L. Does choice B have an L? You put your left arm in front of you when you're taking that doggone STAAR test. You go, ooh, there's my L. What are you doing? I'm passing my STAAR test, bro. Shut up. Not supposed to be talking to me. It's a test. Yes, that's an L right there. Choice B has the L. Does choice D have the L? No, it's backwards, so it's not choice D. The answer is B like boy. See? So easy. You don't have to understand everything. Just understand the important parts. Number 6. The balance, statement, shoot. Choice F says initial balances account decreases. Initial means the first, but then it says decreases. I can test it to see if it does decrease. Let me type that dude in. Here I go. Desmos calculator. I keep erasing it because I'm an idiot. Here we go. Type him in. It says, the equation says 850, parentheses, 1.025, parentheses, raise it to the x. Let's see if this guy is decreasing like the way choice F says. He's increasing. Dang, these guys keep increasing. This guy is increasing. Choice F is a liar. He's saying the decrease, that's a lie. Get out of here. Get out of here. Choice G says the balance of the account increases. Is it increasing? Yes, it is. Is the rate 2.5%? I don't know. So I'm going to hang on to him, question mark. Choice H says the initial balance was 1. What does initial mean? Initial means first. So it says that the initial number is 1025. Is the initial number 1025? No. 850 is the first number that I see. So H is wrong. That's lying to you. How about choice J? The balance on the account at the end of 1 year is 850. At the what? At the end? What number is at the end? Oh, it's definitely not 850 because 850 is in the front. 850 is the initial. 850 is the original. 850 is the first. Nothing. So J, it lies because it says at the end. 850 is at the end of nothing. It's at the front of everything. So no, J is a lie. H is a lie. G looks good. I'm going back and I'm picking G. Here we go. Here's another one of these guys. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I got these equations. No big deal, no big deal. I see a 64. I see a 3 and a 4. I see a big number with a little number. When you see that, instinctively, inside your heart, you should know that 64 is not going to be 64x and a 3y. You should know that 64 is the total. The 3 is a part and the 4 is a part. So I got to go 3x and 4y equals 64. So here we go. 3x, 4y. Does choice A have 3x, 4y? He does, but this looks weird. No, I don't want to look at this. Let's see if there's anything easier. I mean, he has the 3x and the 4y, so maybe I'll keep him. Choice B, 3x, 4y? Yeah, I might keep him. Choice C, 3x, 4y. This is what I'm used to looking at. I'm used to looking at it like this. So I'm scratching A and B out, because now I got this guy, and this guy makes me feel better about this. 3x, 4y, I like it. With the 64, yes, I like it. Choice D, 3x, 4y, yes, I like it. With the 64, yes, sir, I'm keeping him too. All right, now let's keep reading. Next part says $4 more than the first question. 1 large 8. Let's see, 1x 8y. 1x. Ooh, dang, they both got 1x 8y. Shoot, let's go back and read about this $4. It says $4 more than the first customer. Well, the only dollars that I see is 64. What's 4 more dollars than 64? 68. Answer is choice C, like cat. Got it. Next one, here we go. Blah, blah, blah. Function of the cell. Okay, what's particular? I got an equation. Let's see what's up. Which function can be used if initial there is 4. So put the initial in the front. The 4 goes in front. A has it, B has it, C has it in front too, but there's a plus. That's weird. I'm used to it looking like A and B. C is weird, D is weird. I don't like those. Wish I had the other number though. It says half, it says 2. Wish they gave me another number. They did. They put doubles. What does doubles mean? 2. So A has, well, it has a 2, but that's a half. That's a half. Stop thinking, well, there's a 2 at the bottom. Stop trying to make it work. It'll just work. Look at choice B. Look at there's the 2. You were going to run away from that one for the half? Get out of here. B's the answer. For initial 4, the 2 is double. You got it. This guy right here, 3, 2. Look for the 3x, 2y. I found it's A and B. Then read around it, and you can find your choice. If you can't get past, you can't find the answer, just pick the best one between A and B. And if you got to pick between A and B, which one are you normally picking? The odds are it's going to be B. So if you have to pick between A and B, just pick B. If you got to pick between C and D, pick C. If you got to pick between A and D, I don't know, pick whichever one. All right, here you go, this guy, blah, 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 blah. All right, here, this one I want to go to right here. Check this one out. Look. What function can be, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I got an equation. Shoot, let's read. Let's go find numbers. I see a 450. Okay, I see a 450 here. Okay, it makes sense. Then I see a 0.06. Wait. You see the word rate? The word rate means slope. Each, every, per, that means slope. Each, every, per, rate, that means slope. Each, every, per, rate, that means slope. Each, every, per, rate, that means slope. So look at this 0.06. You see how it says rate there? Then the 0.06 is the slope. And if you are slope, you have to have a letter on you. If you don't have a letter on you, you're not the slope. So the 0.06 has to have a letter on him. Look at choice A. Does choice A have a 0.06 with a letter on him? He sure does. Does choice B have a 0.06 with a letter on him? Yeah, he does, but it looks kind of weird. There's a parentheses in the middle. I'm going to scratch him out because I'm not used to it looking like this. If that's the answer, I'm so sorry I missed it. Good job, test makers. That's one of the questions I'm supposed to miss. Whatever. But I like choice A better than choice B, so I'm scratching choice B. Choice C. 450 plus, he has the 0.06, does have an X on him. I like A, I like B. D looks weird here, so I'm scratching D out. B is gone, D is gone. I like A, I like C. Now, what's the tiebreaker? Let's go back and read around this word right here. Let's go read something. Average rate per day. Decreasing. Decreasing means going down. I'm going to type in this guy and see if he's going down. Let's type in this guy and see if he's going down. Let's see. I got to make sure, man, this test is too important. I don't want to waste another 180 days of math class sitting in the class relearning the same stupid stuff I should have learned right now. Because just got to say, I'm going to take a chance and just circle this one right here. You're here. Might as well do it. Let's see if he's decreasing. Where is he, though? Oh, I found him. Is he increasing or decreasing? He's going down. So, yes, he is decreasing. Choice A is your answer. You're done. So that's it. That's all for word problems. When you're reading the word problems, it just falls out in order. Boop, 3x, 2y equals 100. Yep, there it is. If not, initial means the first number in the thing. Put the rate in the middle, whatever. But your choices will help you out. They'll tell you what's up. Oh, the first thing, you know how we just did it. And then if you read questions that have a per, each, every, that's a rate. That's a slope that has to have an X on it. That will help you figure it out and sort and chop down choices to where now you're picking between a 50-50 instead of picking between all 4 choices. All right? That's it. There's going to be 4 or 5 word problems that you should get just from knowing these words. Know the word initial. Know the words each, every, per, rate. Know that. Know that stuff and you'll be fine. You'll be great. Know about less than, losers go down. Know more than, less than, greater than. Know that and just put your left hand in front of you. Make the L for less than and losers go down, which means I got to be less than the number, whatever. Just do that. Don't worry about the greater than. Who cares? If you know the less than and if you know, oh, it's not him, then it must be the other guy. That's what's up. All right, thank you so much for hanging out. Now make sure you study so you can show yourself approved. Help your friends, help your neighbor, help yourself, help your teachers, help your cousins. You need to know this stuff. It's not, yeah, it's for you right now, but it's not just for you because you're going to walk into a room and you want people to say, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that you're here. Please, can you help me? Can you show me how to do this? And you're going to say, yes, I got you. They're going to say, thank you so much. You are going to be able to save somebody's day with this information. And we need to be able to, we need to make sure that we can do more of that stuff. Doesn't it feel good to help somebody? and to just save somebody's day. Get this stuff in you. Go and help others because we need more heroes. All right, man. Y'all be safe. Have a fantastic day. Let's go get them. Yeah.
Thank you, Father. It's our honor. All your sons, all your daughters give you praise. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.